Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are well and good. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to create a Gmail account. I am Sharifuzzaman. Hope you will stay with me to watch this short video tutorial. Okay, let's get started. At first, you need to run an internet browser. Type gmail.com in the address bar and press enter. We have now moved to Google sign-in page. Since the Google account has not been created yet, we cannot sign in now. To create a Gmail account, you need to click Create an Account. From here, select For Myself. You need to fill up this form with some personal information, which will help you to create your Gmail account. Let's get started. Enter the first part of your name in the left side box. And write the last part of your name in the right side box. Enter your Gmail account username in this box. You must enter the username before @gmail.com. This username will be a unique Gmail address. If you enter username that someone has already taken, Google will check it and give you a red mark alert message and let you know someone has already taken this username. Suppose if I write Aryan Jaman, and if I click the mouse pointer in an empty space, you will see this red mark message. That means someone has already taken this username. Here Google has suggested us some username that are still available. If you want, you can select any of the username from this list. But I am not interested to take any username from this list. So I am deleting this and trying again. Now I am writing Aryan Jaman Shafin, and again I am clicking the mouse pointer in an empty space. Now I am not getting any red mark alert message. That means this username is unique and no one has taken it before. In the next field, you need to put the password of your Gmail account. Put at least 8 characters to make the password strong. As password, you can use letters, numbers and symbols. Now I am putting my password here. For our confirmation, re-enter the same password in the next field. Gmail account username and password must be remembered. Otherwise, you may have to face problem when accessing the account in the future. Click Next. At this stage, Google will verify your phone number by sending a 6-digit code to your cell phone number. Now put the cell phone number that is your own and you always have with you. Once the cell phone number has been put, click Next. A 6-digit code will come to your cell phone number shortly. Put the code number in this field and click on Verify. Here is a field to put your recovery email address, which is completely optional. You may or may not put it. However, I am leaving the field keeping blank at this moment. Select your birthday. Select your gender. Click Next. Google has many types of services. Google is seeking confirmation that your phone number may be used for those services. For example, Google can often send video calls and messages to your cell phone number. In that case, if you have any objection, then click on Skip, and if you don't mind, click Yes, I am in. However, I will recommend to accept the option without skipping, because to keep your account secure, Google can often send a message or code to your cell phone number. Now the last thing is to accept the privacy and terms that Google has. Come down by scrolling and click I agree. Your Gmail account is almost ready. If you go to the box that you see here, click Save. Then you don't have to repeatedly put the password on this computer to log in your Gmail account. We hope this tutorial will help you to create your Gmail account. If you like this video, I will definitely request to make a hit on the like button of this video. Also, I will request to subscribe my channel those who are new here, so that you can get notification when any of my video is uploaded later. Thanks everyone. See you in new tutorial.